Alright, so I had a viewer requested video on how to get WinRAR, so that's what I'm going to show you guys right now. Just a real quick video on how to get it. So you're going to want to go to your choice of browsers, type in WinRAR, and you don't have to type this in. Actually, I'll leave a link in the description. It'll be a lot easier for you guys to get to it. But you're going to want to go to RAR Lab. What that is there. We're going to go with RAR Lab. That's the one I'm used to. This is what you want. You go and get WinRAR. This is the page you want to see right here. Now you're gonna want to get WinRAR 64. This is for Windows 10. And once this is downloaded, give it a couple seconds. So it's just scanning it for viruses. Make sure it's all good to go. And as soon as it's done, we'll run it. Hit yes. Select where you want it installed. Alright, now this here, depending on what files you want to open with WinRAR, you can check it in here. I know like I use it for ISO files for like installing Windows and stuff, Windows Server and such. I can get into the actual ISO file itself. Or I know older versions of Minecraft you used to have to go into jar files and such to mess around with those, and there's like this whole funky process of installing Optifine that you don't have to deal with anymore. But you can check jar files if you want to. There's plenty of options depending on what you need. A lot of people will be coming here because they can't open a .rar file. If you download files online through, like, someone uploaded a file that you can get on YouTube or like a Minecraft map or something, it may be inside of a RAR file. It just makes it easier to share that file since it's compressed into a RAR file. But hit OK. Done. Now, as you can see, WinRAR is installed, and if I were to go to my download, probably have a zip file. Doesn't seem like I have a zip file. Here, I'll create one real quick. Press it to a zip. Now, as you can see, it's the Windows zip file. I can open it with WinRAR, such. They're gonna hit you with advertisements, but they will never force you to buy it. So you just hit OK. You can use it, use the program as is, no problems. As you can see, there you go. WinRAR is installed. Avoided all the viruses, and that's just a real quick video on how to do it. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions on how to get different programs, I will be down to help you out. Just leave a question in the comments below, and I'll get after it. Hopefully this helped some of you guys out. And if you liked the video, a like would be much appreciated, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thanks again. Bye bye.